English learner, welcome to English.Conversation,
where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, happy to be here, Paul. Today, we have a super interesting topic, especially for all our student friends out there, and also for anyone who wants to organize their day better. We're going to talk about what is the best daily routine for students.
Ooh, I love this topic, Emily. A good routine can change everything, right? It makes life so much easier.
Absolutely. Before we jump in, please remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. Your support means the world to us. Okay, Emily, let's start. Why is having a routine so important for students?
Well, Paul, think about it. Students have many things to do. Study, homework, maybe sports, friends. A routine helps a lot with focus, right? When you have a plan, you know what to do.
Yes, exactly. It helps with productivity too. When you have a routine, you waste less time thinking, what should I do now? You just do it. And that can make a big difference in how much you get done.
And it can really help with stress. When you have a plan, you feel more in control. Less, oh no, I forgot that moments.
Yes, that's true. No more last-minute panics. A routine also helps to build discipline. It's like training your brain to follow a path. And this is good for life, not just for school.
Yes, very true. It teaches you better time management. You learn how to use your time wisely. Every minute counts.
And it gives you a sense of control and balance, right? You know when you work, when you relax, when you eat. It brings a nice rhythm to your day.
Yes, it creates a good flow. It's like a peaceful river instead of a chaotic storm.
Okay, so a routine is super important. What's the first step for a good student routine, Emily? I think it starts in the morning, right?
Yes, definitely. I think waking up early is a great start. Not super early if you don't need to, but early enough so you don't feel rushed. Maybe around 6:30 a.m. or 7 a.m., depending on when your classes start.
Yes. That gives you time to wake up slowly, right? Not jump out of bed and run.
Exactly. And a big tip, try to avoid your phone first thing in the morning. Don't grab it immediately to check messages or social media. That can start your day with distractions.
Oh, that's a tough one for many people. But it's so true. It's like your brain gets busy before you even have a chance to think for yourself.
Yes. Instead, try some healthy morning habits, like a nice stretch for a few minutes. Stretches a bit, a small sigh of comfort. Feels good.
Oh yes, stretching is great. What else?
Drink a big glass of water. It helps wake up your body. And if you like, maybe try journaling for a few minutes, just writing down your thoughts, or even a short meditation. Just sit quietly for 5 minutes. It helps clear your mind for the day.
Wow, those are great ideas. Starting calm and focused. That's a good foundation for the day.
Okay, so you're awake, you're calm. Now what? The next step is planning your day.
Yes, this is where you think about what you need to do.
Exactly. You can break your day into blocks. Think about your study time, your breaks, your meal times. It's like building with blocks.
Building blocks for your day. I like that. How do students do this? Do they need fancy tools?
Not at all. You can use a physical planner or apps on your phone or computer, or even just a simple notebook. Write down your tasks for the day.
Yes, simple to-do lists can be very powerful.
It really is. And it's important to prioritize important tasks. What is urgent? What do you need to do today? What is important, but maybe not urgent? Do the urgent and important things first.
So if you have a big test tomorrow, studying for that is urgent and important. But maybe cleaning your desk is important, but not urgent.
Yes, exactly. Good example. This helps you use your time wisely.
Okay, now we're ready to study. What's the best way to do study blocks, Emily?
A very popular and effective technique is the Pomodoro technique. Have you heard of it?
I think so. Is it like short bursts of work?
Yes, exactly. You study for 25 minutes, very focused, no distractions. Then you take a 5-minute break. Just 5 minutes to stand up, stretch, look out the window. Then you do another 25 minutes.
Oh, that sounds good. 25 minutes is not too long to focus, and 5 minutes is a nice break.
Yes. After 4 Pomodoros, you take a longer break, maybe 15 to 30 minutes. This helps your brain stay fresh. And it's super important to avoid multitasking during your study blocks. Just do one thing at a time. No checking social media while reading.
That's a hard one for many students today with all the notifications.
I know, but it's key. And also, find a quiet, organized place to study. No messy desk. A clean space helps a clear mind.
Yes, I agree. A quiet room, a clean desk, that helps you focus so much better.
Okay, we've talked about studying, but what about eating, Paul? So important.
Oh, yes. Food is fuel for your brain. It's so important to eat nutritious food, not just sugary snacks.
Exactly. Fruits, vegetables, good protein, and remember to drink water throughout the day. Hydration is super important for your brain. Keep a water bottle close by.
Yes, I always have my water bottle. Taps the bottle sound. It's so easy to forget to drink water when you're busy studying.
It is, and please, please, don't skip meals, especially breakfast and lunch. Breakfast gives you energy for the morning. Lunch gives you energy for the afternoon.
Yes, skipping meals can make you tired, grumpy, and it's hard to focus when you're hungry. Your stomach starts making noises.
Yes, it does. So eat well, drink water, your body and brain will thank you.
So we're studying, we're eating well. What about moving around, Emily? Students spend a lot of time sitting.
You're right, Paul. It's super important for students to move during the day. You don't need a big gym workout every day, but some movement is great.
Why is it important?
It helps with blood flow, it wakes up your body, and it's good for your mood. You can do short home workouts like jumping jacks or a few push-ups, or even just go for a walk outside.
A walk outside sounds nice, especially if you've been inside studying all day.
Yes, or just stretching between study blocks. Remember those 5-minute breaks in the Pomodoro technique? Use them to move your body a little. Stand up, walk around your room. It really helps to clear your head.
Yes, a little bit of movement can make a big difference. It's like pressing a reset button.
Paul, what about fun? All work and no play makes a dull student, right?
Yes, absolutely. It's so important to make time for friends or family. Don't isolate yourself just for studying.
No. Social interaction is good for your mental health. It helps you relax and connect with others.
Yes, it's about balancing social life and responsibilities. You can have fun and study hard. It's not one or the other. Maybe plan to meet a friend for coffee after your study session.
Or call a family member to say hello. It's about finding that good balance. A happy student is a better student, I think.
I agree, and sometimes talking to friends about school can even help. You can share ideas or study together.
Okay, Paul, let's talk about something tricky for many students. Screens.
Ah, yes, the phone, the computer, games, they can be big distractions.
They can be. It's really important to control your use of social media or games during study time. When you're studying, your phone should be away or on silent.
Yes, or in another room. Out of sight, out of mind, sometimes.
Exactly. And you can even use tools like screen time limits or focus apps. Many phones have settings where you can limit how much time you spend on certain apps, or apps that block distractions for a period of time.
Oh, that's a good idea. So the phone helps you focus instead of distracting you?
Yes, use technology smartly. It's about being in charge of your screen time, not letting it be in charge of you.
Emily, as the day ends, what should students do to get ready for a good night's sleep?
Great question. It's important to start winding down in the evening. Try to stop studying at least 1 to 2 hours before bed. Your brain needs time to relax.
Yes, no intense studying right before you close your eyes.
Right. Instead, do some light activities. Maybe read a book, a physical book, not on a screen. Listen to some light music, or just reflect on your day. Think about what you learned, what went well.
That sounds very peaceful. And what about screens in the evening?
Big rule. No screens before bed, if possible. Or at least use night mode on your devices, which makes the light warmer. The blue light from screens can make it hard to sleep.
That's a good point. Our brains think it's daytime when we see that bright light.
Exactly. So dim the lights, relax, get ready for sleep. And this leads us to the most important part of the routine, Paul: sleep.
Yes, sleep is super important. Many students don't get enough.
It's true, but it's so vital. Students should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity.
But why? Why is sleep so important for students?
Because sleep affects memory and learning. When you sleep, your brain processes all the information you learned during the day. It moves things from short-term memory to long-term memory. So if you don't sleep, you might forget what you studied.
Wow, so sleep is like homework for your brain.
Yes, exactly. It helps you remember things better and understand them better. And also, setting a regular bedtime and wake-up time helps your body know when to sleep and when to wake up. Even on weekends, try to keep it consistent.
So, no sleeping until noon on Saturdays.
Well, maybe a little bit later, but not a huge change. Consistency helps your internal clock.
Speaking of weekends, should students have a routine then too?
Yes, but a different kind. It's good to keep a light routine on weekends. Not super strict, but still some structure. This helps maintain your good habits.
So, maybe not waking up at 6 a.m., but maybe 8 a.m. instead of 11 a.m.?
Yes, exactly. And weekends are great for review, right? You can review what you learned during the week.
Yes, a quick look at your notes.
And it's also time for self-care. Do things you enjoy, relax, and try creative hobbies. Maybe painting, playing music, writing. Things that make you happy and use a different part of your brain.
So, weekends are for rest, review, and fun. Sounds like a good balance.
Paul, what are some tips you've heard from successful students, or maybe from your own experience?
Let me think. One thing I always hear is start early. Don't wait until the last minute for big assignments. Break them into small pieces.
Yes, that's a big one. Like if you have a big report, start researching a little bit each day, not all the night before.
Exactly. Another tip is review regularly. Not just before a test. Look at your notes every day for 10, 15 minutes. This helps the information stick.
That's smart. It's easier to remember small bits often than a lot of bits at once. And one tip from me, ask for help. If you don't understand something, ask your teacher, ask a friend, look it up. Don't be afraid to say, I need help.
Oh, that's so important, Emily. Many students feel shy, but asking questions is a sign of strength, not weakness.
So we've talked about a lot of good ideas today, Paul, but it's important to remember, there's no one-size-fits-all routine.
Yes, what works for one student might not work for another. We're all different.
Absolutely. So we want to encourage our listeners to test what works best for them. Try waking up a bit earlier one week. Try the Pomodoro technique. See how you feel.
Yes, it's like an experiment. You try something, and if it feels good and helps you, then keep it. If not, try something else.
Exactly. Your routine should feel good for you. It should help you, not stress you more. So take these ideas and make them your own.
Yes, make it personal. Make it work for your life.
Well, that was a lot of great information, Paul. I hope our listeners found it helpful.
Me too, Emily. We talked about so many good habits.
Now, we want to hear from you. For our listeners, what's one habit you want to add to your routine this week? Maybe it's waking up earlier, or trying the Pomodoro technique, or drinking more water.
Yes, please leave a comment below and tell us. We love reading your comments.
And if you already have a great routine, share your routine with us. What works for you? Your ideas can help other students.
Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. English channel for more helpful tips and fun English lessons.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye!